Hi, this is Clark from AGM Mobile. Today, I will show you what exactly an AGM H5 looks like. Peel off the plastic skin and open the box. On the cover, it contains a pen. And we open the envelope. Here is a quick start guide, a warranty card, and some stickers. The quick start guides will tell you how to set up your phone and what to do once set up. And don't lose the warranty card that tells you what to do if you have any problems with the phone. And the stickers, I found them really cool to stick on my laptop, my computer, my bikes. Where are you gonna stick it? Just show it on Facebook and we might have gifts for you. And here in your hands, a brand new AGM H5, a big speaker surrounded by the light ring. You will see a charger, USB to Type-C cable. Remember, if other wires doesn't connect your H5 to the computer, this one always works. So don't lose it. Okay, enough of the box. Let's break down the features. First of all, allow me to introduce the loudest speaker of all phones until today. It was used on our M7, M6, and the Glory. Now, here it is on the H5. There's not much a change except the sound quality. Since the M7, we wanted the speaker to sound not just loud, but better. Now it has a gradually increasing volume during the low frequencies and a stable performance during the high frequencies. So it makes you hear a clear bass and a pleasant pitch. If you're interested, just pay attention to our latest episode of Behind AGM. We'll have a detailed explanation. The pleasant thing is not only the pitch. See here, a ring light. The RGB ring light will dance while the music is playing. And there are 5 modes of light effects. They all dances differently. If you're not much a fan of music, the only thing you need to know is the loudness. It is really loud. The highest volume in our lab is around 109 decibel. What does it mean by 109 decibel? It means the sound of an average house alarm. And the sound of a firework is just a bit higher than it. That means you will always hear it even you're in loud environments, surrounded by loud machines or live bands or other stuff. That's why you need to remember to turn it off or make it to night mode while you are sleeping so it doesn't scare you off from your bed. Sometimes I feel being loud is not always so good because it disturbs animal or people at night. However, you don't need to worry about this when everyone else is sleeping. Just turn on the night vision mode and it will show you what lies behind the darkness. You don't need to turn on the lights or hold a torch. The night vision camera is the perfect tool to sneak in without any disturb. And the only thing it gives out is the weak infrared light beam. You can shoot photos and videos where there is completely no light around you. It also tells the texture behind the darkness. So go check the museum with the infrared night vision camera. You will have a whole new world. The night vision is useful for those who goes out fishing at night or forestry stuff. You can check out the fish or other wild animals without disturbing them. If you want to take photos at daytime, of course, the H5 has a 48 megapixel main camera, helps you shoot great picture with great clarity. It also has a dual PD fast focus function to make sure you capture every moment you like. Now, we shall all raise our arms and give a warm welcome to the Android 12, to the world of rugged smartphone. The AGM H5 is the first ever rugged smartphone has the Android 12 operation system. The Android 12 is the fastest, safest operation system until today. It helps you hide your location, your key data and information.
For example, when you pick up a phone call,
you will see a green dot. It tells you something is occupying the mic. Don't forget, it is still a rugged phone, thanks to H5's rounded corners and aramid-like back shield.
it can survive drops from at least 1.5 meter height, 99% of dust, and surviving half an hour under 1.5 meter of water. Thank you for watching this video about the AGM H5.
Leave a comment below if you like the H5. Also leave a comment below if you don't like it. And this is Clark from AGM Mobile. We will see you next time.